Pixelverse is launching in 2 days and most of you don't know how to actually withdraw it. In this video, I want to show you how to use the best wallet for your Telegram cryptocurrency airdrops, which is the Bitget wallet. How to connect your wallet to withdraw these airdrops, how to claim and use Gas U, most importantly how to connect your Pixelverse, which is launching on July 18 so you could be able to withdraw, and also discuss how to benefit from a 1 million prize pool of the Ton ecosystem carnival on the Bitget wallet. Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Jacob and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here or you are yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button, and once you are done with the subscription, just tell me your name in the comments below so I can welcome you officially. So I discovered Bitget wallet for Ton and I'm super excited to share it with you. Bitget wallet is the best cryptocurrency wallet out there that you can use to receive all these airdrops. So here are the benefits and the advantages of the Bitget wallet. So on Bitget wallet, you could be able to perform free withdrawals without the need for Ton for gas fee. And unlike other wallets where you are going to need seed phrase, with this seed phrase, you could possibly forget your seed phrase or maybe forget where you actually store your seed phrase. And once you can't remember where you stored your seed phrase, you will not be able to have access to your cryptocurrencies. So Bitget wallet has actually solved this particular problem by only requesting for your email address when you want to sign up on this wallet, and you will only have to authenticate your email address each time you want to maybe change device or whatsoever. With Bitget wallet, you could be able to access other decentralized applications just with a single click. You could be able to access Bloom, you could be able to access Hamster Combat and a couple of other Telegram mini applications. So now let me walk you through how to set up your Bitget wallet. To get your Bitget wallet, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on the link and get the Bitget wallet into your device. So once you've gotten the application into your device, you click on Create Wallet, you agree to the terms of service, you click on Create Now, and alternatively, you could create a keyless wallet like I said earlier by going for the second option, right? I believe a couple of you are already familiar with using wallet that comes with key, but in this context, we are going to be using a keyless wallet wherein you only have to use either your Apple ID, your Gmail account, your Yahoo Mail, whatsoever email service you are using. So I'm going to go for a keyless wallet. Then I'm going to sign in with Google instead of Apple, right? I continue. Then I'm going to choose my preferred Google account. Then I'll click on continue. Then all I have to do is to set up my password, right? So after you've been able to create your login pin, what we want to do now is to set up our device password so that you could be able to log in with your biometrics or maybe your facial ID, right? I'm going to click on setup, and I'm going to provide my device password. Then I'm going to do my face ID. So each time I want to log in this wallet, I will need to use my face to unlock it, right? So you see how secure the wallet is. If you want to back up your wallet, all you have to do is to click on backup. Then we have two options, which is iCloud and Google Drive. If you are using an iPhone, you can go for iCloud, or maybe Google Drive if you are using an Android phone or even an iPhone, right? On this Bitget wallet, you can store several cryptocurrencies. In fact, almost all your cryptocurrencies can be stored on this wallet. By simply clicking on wallet, you could be able to see Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and on Ethereum we have different chains. We have Polygon, we have lots of other blockchains wherein you can deposit Ethereum on Bitget wallet, as well as USDT and a couple of other cryptocurrencies. So this is like a multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet. It supports Solana blockchain, Ton blockchain, ERC20, which is Ethereum blockchain, and a couple of other blockchains. And also you can use these same wallets to receive NFTs. If you want to send or receive cryptocurrency, all you have to do is to click on wallet, then you click on send, then you choose, or you can use the search query to search for whatever cryptocurrency you are looking to send or receive. Let's say you want to send Bitcoin, you can simply click on Bitcoin and you input the amount where you want to send, and you initiate the transaction. That is if you have any Bitcoin in the wallet. If you want to deposit, we have 3 means wherein you could deposit cryptocurrencies into your Bitget wallet. And the first means is by receiving from another sender, or if you are withdrawing from another cryptocurrency exchange or wallet. If you want to do that, you simply click on receive and choose the desired cryptocurrency. In this case, I would just say maybe Ton. Then searching on Ton, you are going to see Ton. You click on Ton, you copy the wallet address, send it to the sender, or you take it to wherever you are looking to withdraw into your Bitget wallet. Then the 2 other methods, you could simply click on buy and you use your debit card to buy from Bitget wallet directly. And secondly, you can also get to deposit cryptocurrencies using the P2P trading function, right? To buy USDT using the P2P, just click on wallet, click on deposit, click on buy. At the top right corner, click on USD, change it to NGN if you are Nigerian, or change it to any currency of your country. Then you can see orders, right? Just pick an order that the seller has 99%, or sorry, from 90% or maybe 80% and above, and that is a good reputation actually. And make sure they have completed a large number of orders, right? Let's say maybe from 1K and above. Yes, that's basically it. But at the time of making this video, you will not be able to sell using the Bitget P2P because it's still in the process of development and it's going to be rolling out soon. To connect your wallet so you could be able to withdraw your Pixelfi, all you have to do is to open the Bitget wallet, click on wallet, click on deposit, then click on receive, which is the first option, and then look for USDT. Just type USDT, and once this comes up, then go for the first option, which is Ethereum mainnet, and click on USDT. Then you click the copy button, then you go to your Telegram, launch your Pixelverse, click on the wallet icon, go down to where we have Bitget, and do you have a Bitget account? Then you type yes, I have it. Then you paste the deposit address and click on made it. So your wallet is connected. So with this, once you're able to do this, when it is time, you will be able to make withdrawals to the Bitget wallet, right? So I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video and also in the comments below. Make sure you use the link and create an account so you could be able to receive some rewards when you interact on the Bitget wallet application. If you had already connected your wallet to your Pixel tap and you wish to switch it to Bitget wallet, of course you should switch to Bitget wallet because it is the best wallet out there. All you simply have to do is to click on the wallet button and you are going to see connect new wallet, or you can simply use delete. So click on connect new wallet, select Ton. When you select Ton, if you don't see Bitget wallet here, just click on view all wallet and click on Bitget wallet, then click on yes to approve, click on approve. Yeah, it's been authorized and you're good to go. Another interesting part is you could be able to swap various cryptocurrencies on this Bitget wallet, right? Let's say for instance, once Pixelverse is being launched, you could come here and maybe change it to USDT, withdraw the USDT, take it to maybe P2P and sell it for cash. To do that, all you have to do is to click on trade Once you click on trade, you are going to be able to choose the desired cryptocurrency you want to swap. Let's say I want to swap Ton. I will type Ton, then come down here and change this cryptocurrency to USDT. So changing it to USDT, I now have to decide which blockchain I would need it on. If I need it on Arbitrum, if I need it on Polygon, if I need it on ERC20. So I think I want to go for Polygon. So I select Polygon and input the amount of Ton wherein I want to swap, let's say maybe 10. Then I'm going to get the equivalent in USDT, which is $72. With this Bitget application, you don't necessarily need to go to your Telegram before you could be able to have access to all your tap to earn or play to earn cryptocurrency airdrops. All you have to do is to click on Discover. After clicking on Discover, you come down to where we have Telegram tap to earn and click on View All. Then here you are going to be able to see all the airdrops you are participating in. This is Tap Swap, this is Pixel Tap. So I'm going to click on Pixel Tap and it's going to take me to Telegram. Then from here, I could be able to have access to my Pixelverse. This is quite interesting. We have a lot to talk about the Bitget application, which is one of the reasons you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on post notification so you get notified once I make other videos that will help you navigate through the platform easily. In the description of this video, you are going to find a link to download the application, a link to follow Bitget Wallet on Twitter, a link to join the Bitget Wallet on Telegram, and also a link to join our Telegram channel for more updates like this one. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about the Bitget Wallet Ton ecosystem carnival and walk you guys through how to do some tasks and share a prize pool of $1 million and enjoy zero gas fee transactions. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please do well to drop it in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.